Aloha, Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, May 26. Kauai's COVID case count remains elevated, but down slightly from last week. The 7-day average is now 59 cases a day, down from 63 a week ago. That number doesn't include home tests, so the actual number of cases is higher. The test positivity rate is up slightly at 24.3%, meaning that 1 out of every 4 people who came in to get tested last week tested positive. That's higher than the statewide rate, now at 18%. Kauai's per population case rate is also higher than the rest of the states, and cases continue to rise across Hawaii, with an average of 1,098 daily cases per day. The CDC is still rating Kauai County in the high range for COVID transmission. There are no new mandates planned. Instead, we can all take precautions to protect ourselves and help slow the spread of COVID while our community is at high risk. Wear a well-fitted mask indoors. Get up to date on your vaccinations and boosters. Avoid large crowds, and when you do gather, try to do it outdoors. And this last one is important. If you feel sick, please stay home and take a test. Even if you test negative, stay home while you have symptoms and take another test in a day or two. The Kauai District Health Office continues to investigate a number of active COVID clusters. Most are workplace clusters resulting from close contact among staff who are not wearing masks, not social distancing, or are going to work while ill. The health office recommends that employers ask staff to wear masks at work while Kauai is at high risk, and if not, that employees observe 6 feet of social distancing. The Kauai District Health Office is also investigating several clusters in school-aged kids. Many of the clusters in these settings appear to have had in-school transmission prior to the end of the school year. If your child is attending a summer school program soon, now is a good time to go over the important precautions that will help keep your child healthy and slow the spread of COVID in our keiki. There are also active clusters in healthcare and long-term care settings. Our sick and elderly population are some of the most vulnerable here on Kauai, and in order to better protect them, it is a good idea to test yourself before visiting them. If you or your child have symptoms, please stay home and get tested. If you do test positive, contact your primary care provider immediately so they can determine whether you are a candidate for COVID treatments that require a prescription. Free testing is still available at the convention hall weekdays and from the mobile van Wednesdays through Sundays. The schedule is posted at kauai.gov/COVID tests. You can also get free home tests mailed to you by visiting covid.gov/tests. For a list of clinics and pharmacies offering the COVID vaccine, please visit kauai.gov/vaccine. May 23rd to 29th is Period Poverty Awareness Week, and we are asking the people of Kauai to join us in raising awareness on this important public health issue. Period poverty is a lack of access or the inability to afford sanitary products and the lack of menstrual hygiene education. We recognize the importance of ensuring health and hygiene for all people who menstruate. That's why this year, the County of Kauai has partnered with the Hawaii Food Bank, Kauai Branch, and Ma'i Movement Hawaii to raise support for Period Poverty Awareness Week. Mahalo to our County of Kauai employees who helped package 1,000 Ma'i care kits consisting of a variety of menstrual products, which will be available for distribution by the Hawaii Food Bank. We thank Ma'i Movement Hawaii and the Hawaii Food Bank Kauai Branch for sponsoring these supply kits, and Senate President Ron Kochi for helping to bring this issue to light among our Hawaii leaders. These kits will directly support girls, women, and people who menstruate who are struggling with period poverty. For more information about Ma'i Movement Hawaii, visit ma'imovement.org. For more information about Period Poverty Awareness Week, visit allianceforperiodsupplies.org. Don't forget to check out this week's job fair on Friday, May 27th at the Kauai Philippine Cultural Center in Puhi from 3 to 6 p.m. There will be many businesses representing a variety of industries on Kauai, offering an assortment of employment opportunities. Job seekers will be given the chance to make a great first impression, learn about potential employers' qualifications, and meet staff who can answer their employment questions. Anyone seeking more information may visit www.kedb.com/job fair or contact Jackie Kaina at 808-245-6692. We are incredibly grateful to our housing agency and our partners with Kauai Federal Credit Union for their efforts to continue the county's coronavirus rental and utility assistance program. Renters and landlords who have experienced financial hardship anytime throughout the pandemic are eligible for this program, and we encourage you to apply at www.kauaiRentHelp.com. For more information, please email rent@kauaicreditunion.org or call 808-482-3777. Memorial Day is on Monday, and we join people across the nation in honoring those who have made the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom. In observance of Memorial Day, most County of Kauai offices and services will be closed on Monday, May 30th. Closures include all neighborhood centers, recycling centers, refuse transfer stations, and the Kekaha landfill. The county's COVID-19 testing facility at the Kauai War Memorial Convention Hall will also be closed for the holiday. However, the Kauai bus will operate on its normal schedule, and residential trash pickup will still occur as normal. The Kapa'a and Waimea swimming pools, which are normally closed on Mondays, will observe the holiday on Tuesday, May 31st, and will be closed that day. Regular business hours for county offices will resume on Tuesday, May 31st. Have a great Memorial Day weekend with your ohana. Mahalo, Kauai.